Greetings to all. I believe that all of you who are listening to this talk are very much interested in doing work in cutting edge technology or AI. But working with AI fundamentally means that not only working with the tech, but applying the tech on data as one dimension, applying the tech on the business context, and making sure that a business outcome is achieved at the end of it. So, what I would like to paint a picture for all of you is that there is an opportunity through this hackathon that my team is organizing, which will bring you a platform where you not only get to work on the cutting edge technology using all the generative AI models, the creation of the agentic models or the agentic AI or agents, of course, for that matter, but you will do so in an industrial context and also see what is the business outcome or the business change that you are able to achieve in the process of doing so. As you all know, that the magic is not in the tech or AI, the magic always is in the data. And that's the most difficult and the most contextual part of any technology transformation. At Tata Steel, what we are trying to do over the last 9, 10, 12 years, we have very systematically invested in an architecture which enables the foundational layer before we get into analytics and AI. I often say building the road before building the car. So invested heavily in cybersecurity and network and the fundamental infrastructures, private cloud, public cloud combination. Mostly the enterprise cloud is in the private cloud for security purposes and cost reasons. We invested heavily in a lot of sensors. It is an industry, it is a steel industry, which is essentially remote because you can't go to a molten metal, near the molten metal. So fundamentally operations are controlled from control rooms. If you come to Tata Steel, you will see that how we are operating integrated remote operations control center. How are we supervising the mines from 400 kilometers away? How are we running the plant from a distance using AI, using voice, video, data capture in real time? All of it is possible because of the sensor, the edge analytics and data that we collect on the cloud and run the analytics and AI on top of it. Collectively, we have around 850 to 900 AI models and agents running in the organization. Much of them will be the narrow AI, which is metallurgy, physics, chemistry based, which is very much focused on the core operations, the plants, in terms of safety, yield, energy, throughput, quality. And there are also generative AI examples. There are around 300 plus agents that the team has created, which essentially drives a lot of productivity in the corporate functions, whether it's HR, finance, IT, other corporate functions, procurement, etc. Now we're also trying to do a very unique thing for the last couple of years, and we have invested in a platform called Tata Steel Digital Assistant, which is a generative AI, agentic AI enabled platform where you can bring in any of the models, whether it is a GPT or Claude or Gemini. But these models will not work on our data because our data is not available in the public domain, right? Our data is available within the company premises, the industrial data and the other data that we have. So this platform enables for the models to come and operate and transform and transact on our data to create insights or intelligence. This architecture is unique because you need to have a manifestation or an orchestration layer or a data ontology, whatever name you want to call it, so that when the prompt is given by the user, will be in a completely unstructured language. English can be used in many different ways. So that unstructured data has to be understood and mapped to the underlying databases and the data sets so that meaningful information is fetched and then processed to create insights. And it's much easier said than done. That's a challenge that the team is opening up. We are looking for bright minds like yourself to come and work on real life problems, industrial problems, whether the problem can be to solve an yield, energy, throughput, quality, productivity problem, or to create an enterprise-wide intelligence and insights layer. AI models do not have emotions today. Humans do have. Every data is biased by emotions. So can we capture the tacit knowledge of the enterprise using Tata Steel Digital Assistant or the platform that I was talking about? That's a challenge I will have for you. If you want to pick it up, you are more than welcome. That is all I had to say today. Thank you very much for listening.